Hello everyone, grab the top section of the hair and how it braid across each other and take and secure the end with the rubber band. Then grab the left section of the hair from the back and how it into three parts and braid it in the same way and secure the end with the rubber band. Combine all the three braids together with another rubber band at the bottom and stuff the tail into the middle one, making as a bun. Move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Then choose three hairpin collection. From the sides of your hair, tie it together with the rubber band and have the right section of the hair from the back and drop it into the right loop. Then with the remaining section of the hair, hold it on the left and have a rubber band attached to it, another rubber band, the middle part, and stuff the tail into the middle one, making as a bun. Move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpins. Tie your hair in the middle and drop it inside for the twisted band. Then hold the tail along with the remaining section of the hair and split them into two parts, braided across each other in a thicker manner. To do the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the ends secured with the rubber band. Then fold the braid into half and have it in place by dropping little hairpins on either side inside. Then drop in your favorite hairpin. Comb the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band. Drop it inside for a twisted band. Then grab a section of the hair right below it and do the same twisted band again and tie it and deepening even more further. Have the rubber bands covered by dropping your favorite cute hairpin. Comb a section of the hair from the left side on the top part and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the same braiding on the right side and have the ends secured with the rubber band. Then after that, combine both the braids together with another rubber band. Then grab the sides of your hair and tie it in the middle right over the braid and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. Then after that, grab another section of the hair right below that and have a twisted band once again. Then do drop it one more time into its parent's loop. Then after that, drop both of the tails together into the loop of the braid. Then have it decorated by dropping your lovely hairpin. Split your hair into 4 sections, rubber bands attached to it in the middle part of each of them. Then after that, create a gap using your finger and drop the tails into its own loop, making a twisted band. Do the same for all the tails as well. Drop the first tail into the second loop, then the fourth tail into the third loop. Then tighten a little bit and drop in your favorite hairpin attached to it, covering the rubber and making it even more prettier. Comb the left strip of the hair and have a rubber band attached to it. Create a gap using your finger. Drop the tail into it. Then do the same for the right side as well. Have a strip of hair on the right side to the left loop and do the same as we did before. Then do the vice versa on the right side. Combine all the tails together with another rubber band. Then drop in your favorite hair clutcher and comb the hair a little bit for adjusting the shape and volume. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair, create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it, and pinch out the hair on the twister band for boosting out the volume. Then grab a section of the hair from the side, right below the top section, and have it attached to a rubber band, drop it inside for a twisted band, and pinch out the hair on that one as well. Then grab the sides of your hair right below it, and drop it inside, and tighten a little bit, and do the same twisted band once again, and pinch out the hair on that one. Then after that, drop in your favorite hairpin on top of the rubber band, covering it. Comb a few strands of hair from the left side and split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the midway and have the braid sides stretched out to the maximum as you could for the loopy design. Then secure the end with the rubber band. Do the same braiding on the right side, but don't forget to pinch out the hair on the sides to make it as a loopy pattern again. Combine both the braids together with another rubber band, then drop on your favorite hairpin, covering the rubber band and beautifying it even more further. Comb the sides of your hair and make it crisscross each other and tighten a little bit and have it combined together at the back side with another rubber band. Then comb the remaining section of the hair and leave it. Thank you everyone.